Good day, everyone, and welcome to the midweek market update. So, guys, on this session, we're going to be talking about the pair that we spoke about on our last session. So, I'm just going to be giving you an update on the progress of this pair, and we eventually did execute a trade on this one. It's currently running in profits. So, I'm just going to give you a thought process behind this pair and how I did execute this pair. So, let us get into it. So, I'll just erase everything and then give you that analysis once again. So, starting overall on the higher time frame, this is how the higher time frame is looking like. So on the higher time frame, it did come from what previously this impulsive movement. This was the sideways corrective structure, and then price did eventually break out of this this continuation pattern that you do see over here. After price broke out, it did drop to the downside, and then over here we are having once again price giving us this as a sideways corrective structure. So also with this one, this is having what a high probability of doing what? Of also impulsing all the way to the downside, just like it did over there. So now as we're dropping onto our mid-time frames, on the mid-time frame, what can we see from this? So on the mid-time frame, we do come from what this impulsive movement, sideways corrective structure, as you can see over here. So price is giving us this impulse correction breaking out and then impulsing down. And this is once again our correction. Similar to this, what happens when price breaks out, it tends to do what? It tends to impulse all the way to the downside. So just like over here, this is having a high probability of impulsing to the downside. And then as you're coming on to our lower time frame in terms of our entry, so what are we looking for? So price has been forming what this multiple continuation patterns that have been breaking out all the way to the downside. This was the first one. This was the second one. But with this, they've been taking us what for a break even. As you can see, this one did not work out. This one did not work out. So hopefully this one will be the one that does what that does impulse all the way to the downside, giving us what more potential profit compared to these two, because this would have been a break even, and this one currently, this is how we entered on the breakout, and we placed our stop loss above. And currently we did reach something like 2.48% profit and did move what our stop loss to break even. So this is currently a risk-free trade, meaning if price does go against us, we won't be losing anything on this trade. So what is our take profit on this overall trade? So the take profit for this one is all the way to the downside. Hopefully this does give us something like like an 18% potential return, but we will see whether price does what does continue to drop and give us what some more potential scaling opportunities with this impulsive run to the downside. But the only thing that we can do for now is just simply continue to hold and let the market develop on its own, because we already executed the entry that we did forecast for, and we moved what our stop loss to break even. So there's nothing much that we can do on this trade except we just do what? Sit on our hands and let the market unfold to us. So yeah, guys, that's the market update for today. I will see you guys once again on our next session, where I'll be giving you an update on the progress of this trade, how it developed. And yeah, guys, that's it from me for now. Hopefully, you did learn something from this session. Take care, and I'll see you next time.